Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming account and address. Log into the exact Facebook account that should see the content, then copy and paste the post or profile URL to avoid typos. Once done, check whether the page or user deleted the post or set privacy limits. This is the most common cause. If you suspect an account restriction, make sure to view the page from both desktop and mobile app to compare behavior before moving to deeper fixes. Next, refresh and isolate the problem. Force refresh to bypass cached errors, then clear Facebook-specific cache and cookies to remove stale permissions or scripts. Once done, open the same URL in an incognito window and in a different browser to rule out extension or local cache interference. Make sure to also try mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. Network-level blocking can mimic the same error. These tests show whether the issue is local, account-level, or network-related. Finally, escalate methodically. Log out and reboot your device, then reinstall the Facebook app or update the browser and re-login. This clears corrupted sessions. If the page still says unavailable, report the problem through Facebook Help. Report a problem with the exact URL and screenshots. Once submitted, make sure a friend or alternate account checks the URL. If they can see it, the issue is account-specific and Facebook support must resolve it. If nobody can...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.